Hello everyone, welcome to SUNWAYI's channel. Today I will show you how to use SC43. If you want to know more products, please click to subscribe and follow. Okay. When you buy SC43 on Amazon or elsewhere, you will receive a box that is the same as mine. Let us open it. Now we can see a camera with 4 solar charging panels on it. There is a frame on the top of the camera. It can hold an American license plate. Let's try it. Find an American license plate and take out the screw pack from the box. Well, the compact structure is very suitable for this license plate, and will not obscure any symbols. Let us see how it works. Take out the display and cigarette lighter charging cable in the box. And let us connect the power supply. Obviously this is a smart camera. As long as the display is connected to the power supply, it can work immediately. Which is very good for drivers who want to save trouble and get a good driving experience. Open the menu on the monitor and let us see what these options can do. Turn on this option, which is to adjust the screen brightness, contrast and saturation. This option can control the screen, and 4 different options allow SC43 to have different installation methods. This option is used to control the parking guideline, and the most suitable parking guideline can be adjusted according to different lens angles. This option is to control the working time. Users can choose 30 seconds, 45 seconds or 60 seconds. Drivers of different driving proficiency can choose the most suitable working time. In addition to solar energy, the SC43 can also be charged via USB. Just find the USB charging cable in the package and connect it to the USB port on the SC43 and the cigarette lighter charger. When SC43 is charging, the indicator light will flash. To learn more about SC43, please contact Jesse at sunwayi.com.